G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely lakefront home, number 1 Lady Nelson Drive in the popular suburb of Eli Waters. There is a lot to take in. Let's go and take a look around. This captivating residence delivers a flawless blend of indoor and outdoor living on a large 1,158 square metre lakefront allotment in the prestigious Mariners Cove estate, where you'll be able to fish from your backyard. The quality and scale of this contemporary haven is immediately apparent as you enter, and you're naturally drawn towards the vast open plan dining, kitchen and living area. You will note the flowing indoor-outdoor floor plan. This home has been crafted for year-round entertaining while taking in those panoramic lake views to the rear. You will note the stylish plantation shutters in the main living area, the utility room and also the main bedroom and office. The wonderfully appointed kitchen is an entertainer's delight with beautiful bench tops and loads of storage as well as a large pantry. Quality appliances include an electric hot plate with range hood, a wall oven and a dishwasher. You will feel as though you're on holidays every day as you open the stacker doors, which provide that seamless transition between the open plan indoor living space and that fabulous alfresco outdoor entertaining area with shade blinds overlooking the sparkling in-ground pool and lake to the rear. This is where you'll appreciate and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. Staying cool over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the reverse cycle ducted air conditioning which flows throughout this home. This home does include a home office to the front, which will be ideal for those working from home. You've got great separation with this home, with privacy and space for everyone, with all 4 bedrooms being located away from the main entertaining zones. All 4 bedrooms do include vinyl plank flooring, ceiling fans, ducted air conditioning and built-in wardrobes. The spacious main bedroom includes a large walk-in wardrobe and a lavish ensuite with shower, toilet and double basin vanity. The bathroom includes a shower, vanity and a bath, and you've also got a separate toilet. The double garage has been converted into a large utility room which can suit a range of uses to suit your needs. The laundry offers ample bench space and a broom cupboard and offers direct access outside to the clothesline. Those looking to accommodate several vehicles will appreciate the double carport to the front, which offers covered access into the home. You've also got clear side access and space to accommodate large RVs, caravans and boats. Plus, there is a second carport and a 6x4 metre shed with power connected and both front and rear roller doors. Those looking to be more self-sufficient will appreciate the large 8.2 kilowatt solar power system. Homes offering these features in this location are rare and sure to be in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.